Ulangan itu tiga tes dulu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, is my voice clear to you? Is my voice clear to you?
Clear, Miss.
Okay, then yes, we shall start our first lesson for today, which is intensive listening class. So I will share the material in your screen. Ini mahasiswanya Bunda, nak. Bentar. All right, now can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes, our first context for today's material is entitled Party Talk. Okay, and then actually we will have two contexts for today's practice. And the first context is first day, and the second context is party talks. So of course, since it is our first day of listening practice, and then in our second meeting, so the first meeting in our first meeting last week, we talk about our lesson plan and also learning contract. And now, as the first day of our listening practice, of course, the first context is first day. Oke, pasti konteksnya di mana-mana ini akan membicarakan tentang first day ya, no matter where it is. So no matter where it is, so the first context nearly almost talking about first day. So in the first day, seperti biasanya teman-teman ya, kalau first day itu pasti first day at school. Since our level is university level, so it is first day in university life. Okay? Ya. First day in university life. So unlike in our country, people in Western community will since we learn English as our foreign language. Meanwhile, English is the first language of Western people. Of course, it cannot be avoided. We have to learn also their culture. And it is part of language learning. Learning their culture is part of language learning, so that you must not be surprised when you find something that is different from our culture. Okay, we may encounter the different culture since our first material today. In the first day listening practice, you will listen to people talking about their first name and also last name. Their name consists of their first name and also last name, which is similar with the rest of their family. Usually, people from one family have the same last name. Okay, and then people that call their first name, usually they are in close term, in friend term. Meanwhile, when you only know people, barely know people, you only know them recently, it is not considered impolite if you call them using their first name. Usually, they call people they recently know with last name. Contohnya, for instance, you may call me Miss Ganinda, or since it is my last name. but our culture is different from their culture, so that you may call me using my first name and also using my last name. It is not as what is it to say? It is not very important for our culture, but in their culture, in Western culture, they distinguish the use of first name and also the use of last name. Ya, penggunaan first name hanya untuk orang-orang yang sudah kenal lama atau sudah kenal dekat. Sedangkan kalau last name itu digunakan untuk orang-orang yang baru aja kenal. And also people they respect. Ya, last name is used to call people they respect. For example, the name of your parents, your friend's parents, the names of your neighbor, and also the names of older people, the names of your teacher, something like that. So when when Western people call using their first name means they are close in relationship. Perhaps friends or sibling or relative or parents. Meanwhile, when Western people call other people using their last name means they only knew each other recently, baru kenal. Or they are the people they respected, atau orang yang dihormati ya. For instance, their teacher or friend's parent or their neighbor or something that works in certain field. Masih sekolah. Mama yang bahasa. Belum ke sini. Nggak apa-apa, masih di rumah. Ini kan kasino temannya pindah satu. Ini nanti ini Budeka dan Budeka itu punya anak namanya Mas Aktif, dan pasti nanti biar dikasih tahu Mas Aktif gitu Mbak. Okay, and then oh ya, yang mana ini? Oh, and not only we will see people talking about their first name and then last name. Okay, ada satu hal yang saya hampir terlupa. They have not only first name and also last name, but they also have middle name. Jadi biasanya itu namanya ada tiga jenis ya. First name, and then middle name, and then last name. Yes, indeed. Middle name is rarely spelled when people introduce themselves. Usually it is only contracted, hanya disingkat ya, penyebutan nama tengah itu hanya disingkat biasanya. They usually when they write their name, they only write the first and also the last name, whereas the middle name sometimes it is not written, sometimes and most of the time it is contracted atau hanya disingkat, diambil huruf depannya aja gitu. So it is not uncommon for people to say their middle name, kecuali jika ditanya. Okay, not only they talk about their first name and then last name, it is common for people to correct the spell of their name, the spelling of their names. In my generation, okay, in Indonesian culture, in Indonesian people's name atau Indonesian culture, sometimes they correct name. Sometimes they correct name only when they write it incorrectly. But I think it is not very common for people to write their name incorrectly. Perhaps sometimes it happens when your name is Rizky. Nah, paling it is perhaps other people misspelled S by Z atau misspelled Y with I, Y sama I. But ya hanya itu aja ya misspellingnya. Unlike Western people, they more often making mistake with spelling their names. Moreover, when people still barely know each other, they still cannot spell their friend's name correctly. For instance, perhaps the names is Catherine. Some people write it using K, and then some other write it using C and H, dan sebagainya. Banyak sekali misspell nama dari orang-orang yang Western country. Iya, nah. In my people's name that is in my generation and my previous generation, their names is quite easy to write, and then we rarely misspelled our names, unlike people who were born, yes, iya, bentar, unlike young people, iya, nak. Unlike the people that unlike the kids nowadays that only recently born, they were given names that is, I think, quite complicated to write and even to spell. Nyebutnya susah, juga spellingnya susah, nulisnya juga susah. Itu kalau generasi yang sekarang atau generasi yang setelahnya saya ya. Kalau generasi saya dan generasi sebelum saya itu biasanya gampang-gampang. Okay, this is the material of our first practice. And now we shall turn to the material for the second practice, which is party talks. Okay. Party talks is not only the vocabulary that is uncommon, but also the context itself is uncommon to our culture, right? I think we rarely conduct a party. Perhaps we have gatherings, okay? We have gatherings, all right, in our homes. Perhaps an open house atau mungkin birthday party, but I think our people I think it is more in my culture ya, berbeda mungkin dengan culture di negara yang metropolitan. They perhaps conduct party, but in my culture party is still very rarely. So this is another Western culture which is embodied in language learning that we cannot avoid. But to learn as well. Oke, ya seperti di TV ya. Oke, kalau party talk, of course, the material will start by identifying or by learning how people start and end a conversation. Belum ke sini, masih sekolah sana.
Namanya apa kan?
Ngajar di kelas.
Namanya apa?
Iya, mengajar di kelas.
Apa?
Iya, masih mengajar.
Mama mengajar di sini.
Iya, nanti ngajarnya di sini. Sebentar ya, Bunda bicara dulu ya. Bunda ngomong dulu ya, Nak. Bentar. Okay. Since in a party, not all the people know each other. Ya, bentar. Ya, tunggu dulu Bunda masih ngomong ya. In a party where a lot of people attend the party, not all of them know each other. Not all of them are close to each other. So that this material will cover how to start a conversation as well as ending a conversation. And of course, since a lot of people still barely know each other or didn't know each other, this material also include how introduce themselves. Gitu. Okay, that's all about the introduction of the context of today's practice. Do you have questions? Do you have questions?
No, Miss.
Oke, sudah
No.
jelas. Sudah jelas untuk pemaparan ininya, materinya, teman-teman? Sudah jelas?
Sudah jelas.
Clear.
Okay, after this, you may access the e-learning. I have assigned the e-learning material in your e-learning account, and you may practice the listening and you may practice your listening skill in the e-learning. Silakan diakses teman-teman ya. Sudah saya assign semuanya di e-learning. Ini nanti akan ada nilainya otomatis ya di e-learningnya, di listeningnya teman-teman ya. Oke, sudah nyoba buka? Boleh sambil nyoba buka. Nanti kalau ada kendala langsung bilang ke saya. Iya, bentar.
Ini belum di-enroll ya, Miss?
Sudah,
Sudah
namanya intensive
di e-learning.
intensive listening. Intensive listening 2024.
Belum di-enroll di e-learning saya, Miss.
Sebentar ya, saya cek lagi ya.
Oke.
Nah, ini udah. Coba dicek. Ini, lihat screen saya. Ya,
Iya, di
iya,
saya belum ada.
kok nggak ada ya? Manual enroll.
Juga ada.
Tapi ini sudah di-enroll tapi ini. Gimana ya? Apa enroll sendiri?
Nggak bisa di sini, Miss. Nggak
Iya,
bisa enroll sendiri.
nggak bisa enroll sendiri. Nggak bisa enroll mandiri. Nggak bisa.
Nggak bisa.
Kenapa ya? Statusnya aktif. Ini statusnya aktif padahal.
Nggak bisa masuk.
Ya kan ini statusnya aktif ya, kelihatan ya. Ini
Iya.
namanya udah bener kan ya? Nama sama NIM-nya udah bener ya?
Benar, Miss.
Nggak itu. Nggak muncul. Di learning-nya kalian nggak muncul.
Biasanya kalau udah di-enroll di dashboard sudah muncul, Wis. Ini belum muncul.
Oh iya, pen buat nak. You cannot enroll yourself. Tapi di dashboardnya nggak muncul. Ambil yang kardus warna putih nak. Ambil yang warna putih, nggih. Tapi di dashboardnya kalian
Iya,
nggak muncul.
dashboard nggak muncul.
Nggak muncul. Muncul nggak? Iya itu. Muncul nggak di dashboard kalian? Intensive listening muncul di dashboard kalian nggak? Sini dibuka nabun anak.
Belum, Miss, belum muncul.
Belum muncul. Saya tak boleh aneh. On
Ya,
enroll.
belum.
Ya. Kenapa? Ada apanya? Oh iya penghapus. Iya.
Yang mau gitu.
Iya. Bentar ya, saya ini apa nih? Teman-teman sambil lihat nggak ini? Ini benar ya, Kak Fitriono ya?
Iya, Miss.
Enroll. Nah, ini aktif. Udah masuk sekarang? Udah masuk ya?
Bentar saya cek, Miss.
Iya. Mungkin karena saya enrollnya kapan deh saya enroll ya? Dava, sekarang Dava.
Mana?
Kenapa nak?
Ya.
Iya, gula. Ambil sendok dulu. Ambil sendok dulu.
Ya sudah, Miss. Sudah bisa diakses.
Ya, iya. Sendok, ambil sendok dulu sayang. Ambil sendok dulu sayang.
Ini ada.
Iya.
Tapi apa lah?
Nah,
Nanti gula.
Dava. Oh, kok ada dua? Sik.
Nanti gula.
Sudah ada nih.
Sudah aktif ya. Dava sudah aktif. Ini statusnya sudah aktif. Sini dibantu Bunda buka. Sini. Dibantu Bunda buka. Sudah aktif ya, punyanya Dava ya. Sini gelasnya nak.
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, ya silakan di.
Ah.
No, diambilin Bunda. Diambilin Bunda. Ambil gelasnya. Oke, baik. You may start practicing your listening skill through e-learning, guys. And when you find some trouble, you may tell me so I might make some change to the e-learning, okay? Ini nanti perhaps it could be scored automatically from the e-learning, from the system. Akan di-score secara otomatis di sistem ya. Ada yang ditanyakan teman-teman?
Iya, Miss. Sudah, Miss.
Okay, then you may start practicing now. While you practice, I end the Zoom meeting. When you encounter some challenge or some problems, you may text me via WhatsApp. Okay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Thank you for sorry. Thank you for coming to this Zoom meeting. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, you're welcome.